parents have to reboot the future generation, because that is what is going to predict how the world is going to go forward now. Because it's very important for the current generation. I hope lots of people are hearing this, because we have to understand that we've lost 8% of known animal species already, and we are about to lose 22% of the species which are at risk of extinction. So we need to very carefully understand that if we have to keep global warming under 2 degrees centigrade as required by the Paris Agreement, the situation will still last for centuries. And this has to be explained to children and make them understand that cycling and walking is way more important than taking cars and buses right now. World over, people are not going bigger the way Indians are going bigger in their homes, bigger watch, bigger brand, bigger house, bigger marriage, bigger ceremonies, more food, more waste. And the greater the ceremony, the greater you are. But actually, it's the opposite.
Plantations of tree. So always guide the people. In Mumbai, Pune, they say we don't have a place. I say you have balconies, you have verandas, you have everywhere. Everywhere, at least plant tulsi plants, bamboo trees. Tulsi is 14 to 16 hours emitting oxygen. It is the best way for your home also and for the biodiversity. So plant maximum anywhere in your society if it is there. On birthdays, you start planting the trees. So these are the simple ways it can make a lot of difference.
Take a green juice in the morning. It's full of,
yeah.
you know, why take
yeah, they can take the.
Why don't we wash out the pesticides? Like Vijay said, the fruits and vegetables are full of pesticides. Use baking soda. Wash vegetables and wash your spinach. Wash your lettuce and use real natural ingredients. And why go for chemicals instead? I can understand if you want curcumin as a biotechnology extract. The trade name for it is called Kurki. It's a pastille that you put on in your cheek. It's called Kurki, and it is absorbed by the saliva on the wall of your cheek. And that's the trade name. And yes, it will help you. It will help you mitigate a lot of disease and increase your immunity. But where it comes to things like chlorophyll, why not have a green juice every morning? First thing, a spinach juice, or even just a cucumber juice can be used as a gargle. And it in France, they did research and they found that 99% of the virus is done away with when you gargle, not just you use hexagon, not as a mouthwash, but as a gargle. And just one more point I wanted to add to my house remedies was using a bamboo toothbrush rather than a plastic. Plastic toothbrushes add to thousands and thousands of plastic waste in the world. People give up change their toothbrushes every 3 days. So Shilpa asked,
let's take it up this. We can ban the plastic toothbrushes and we can work on it.
I felt I missed one of the most important points, which I'm canvassing for 24/7. Apart from, not doing tub baths and not using toilet paper. One of my pet peeves is toothbrushes. Give up plastic toothbrushes. There are lots of things.
Indoor pollution and the outdoor pollution, whatever is increasing in a very fastly. See, it starts from foods to the environmental things. So in the food, if you see, whatever the pesticides, they are so much used in India, the artificial fertilization, the dichlorophenols in the pesticides, they are changing the genetics. The next generation, there will be a lot of chromosomal disorders, there will be infertility problems, there will be stillbirths, so many complications are happening. That's why you also may be knowing so many NICUs, the neonatal ICUs are full because so many preterms are born. These are all impact of these foods and all, whatever you consume. So it is not a one-day thing. So it is happened over a period of more than many years. Again, the same way, the indoor pollutants, as the Nishaji said about this, as the child is born, we are pumping with all these powders, so many soaps, different types of, so many advertises come, and the parents also get fascinated with that. That's become a craze actually. That has become a prestige point. Like, I'm using this type of molecule, I'm using that and all. So from there only the child is exposed to all these add-on pollutants. As I said, the farming from there, the natural fertilizers should be used
Yeah.
rather than the chemical fertilization. Again, there should not be pesticide use. Okay. See, because as an allergist immunologist, when my patients come from a rural area and a child of 6 years old having a very severe allergies, and when I test for those allergies, I get so many pollens positive. I'm
Oh.
surprised because there are no vehicles and all. Then when I ask them why it happens, and then I studied it and I found that there are a lot of pesticides they are using, like a cauliflower. So whatever limit is suppose zero point 0.5 ml spray, they are using more than 13.5 ml. So it is so heavily. So these things has to be avoided. So minimum pesticide use, I can understand for the productivity for the farmers and all, but at least they should have some balance for something. They should use a lesser pesticide. So that is the organic farming products which will be really useful. Again, as I said, the deodorant, saints, or any facials or masks, I mean, whatever the people are using for uh, this like in between there was a very well-known brand in India and they were using the steroids into that. So it should not be used. They have a lot of side effects long-term wise. They will have a lot of problems because they are also locally absorbed. So such type of products should be without such type of harmful substances. So natural extracts should be maximally used. So that will be for the organic products, I will say.